Morning, Attorney Josh LeRoy. Today we're talking about battery, misdemeanor battery, simple battery, all different names for the same charge. In Florida, a battery is defined as an intentional touching of another person against their will. Battery is a first-degree misdemeanor. Battery can be charged as domestic battery or domestic violence when the parties involved in the case are family members. Their spouses, former spouses, people who have children together, people who live together like a family, and people who are dating who live together. Despite being a first-degree misdemeanor, just like simple battery, domestic battery is obviously much more significant and treated entirely differently. In Palm Beach County, domestic batteries have their own courtroom 2C, and that division only handles domestic-related offenses, domestic violence, domestic assault, and violations of injunctions. Battery can become a felony if a person has a prior battery conviction. In Florida, battery is a crime of enhancement, meaning that if you have more than one, the state has the ability to charge a simple touching as a felony battery, which is a third-degree felony. Injury to the other person is not required in order to have a battery charge. A battery charge is an intentional touching by a person of somebody else against their will. A push of another person can be considered a battery. Incidental touching, however, bumping into somebody, getting off an elevator, is traditionally not considered a battery because it's not an intentional act. What are the defenses to misdemeanor battery? Well, misdemeanor battery has the same defenses as felony battery or aggravated battery, the most prominent of which is self-defense. That's sometimes referred to as stand your ground, sometimes referred to a variety of different other names, but a stand your ground or self-defense claim means that you felt that you were in danger or somebody else was in danger, and therefore you used the force necessary to protect yourself or to protect another person. Stand your ground in Florida would entitle the person potentially to immunity, meaning that the judge has the ability to dismiss the case. That is a significant defense and a very powerful defense. So if you or somebody else you know has been charged with a battery or a domestic battery, please give me a call. Joshua LeRoy at 561-290-2730.